Assalamualaikum. I want to talk about introduction of sports science. Sports science explore how the healthy human body works during exercise and how sports science and physical activity enhance health and performance. Physiology, psychology, anatomy, biomechanics, biochemistry, and biokinetic are all fields of study in sports science, with the ever-increasing focus within the sporting world on attaining the greatest possible result. Sports scientists and performance consultants are seeing an increase in demand and employment number. Research research have gained a better understanding of how the human body reacts to exercise, training, various settings, and a variety of other stimuli thanks to the scientific study of sports. Sports science is the study of how the healthy human body works during exercise, as well as how sports and physical activity can improve health and performance from a cellular to a whole body level. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now I will talk about solution architecture of sports science. First, in addressing solution architecture sports science, the term adaptability is an essential principle. This thesis focused on adaptability and clarification of this principle in typical studies on sport science facilities. Clarification of the ideals of analytical analysis adaptability so findings and outlines can be drawn from case studies. Next, adaptability methods in solution architecture sport science. When applying the previous result on the adaptability of sport science facilities, the technique as reusing transformation travel scale are common denominator in the process of adaptation of this typological type. The reuse of an object with minimal external interruption and change of application, service or feature is the right to use it completely again. The convertible which involve both internal and external measures, expand the possibility to change this facility. The next word scaling is capacity to adjust a scale of facilities. And last, the next strategy of adaptation is the implementation of term movable, which is the capacity of moving the target and shifting position. For example, train station turning into libraries, power station into artilleries, and storehouse into apartment. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Afiq Irman. I would like to present the solution about sport building, especially for the stadium. The construction of the building, with many various functions, was growing rapidly. This caused various problems, such as the use of the lot of space and energy. This is include in sport development, which also involves large space such as a gymnasium center and equipment rooms. This result, uh, the construction of the sport building not being efficient and consume a high expenditure for the maintenance cost. Uh, Sport building can be improved, such as a various facility and infrastructure. A stadium is one of the building that can be used for various uses and functions according situations. This is because the stadium has a large area and amount of space and can accommodate many people. The stadium should also have a various facilities such as a training center, fitness room, and space for formal activity such as a holding meeting. In addition, the stadium can be used a business center with the sale of the product-based item of a surveyor from a club. They will bring an income to a building or to the club. After that, the stadium can also be used if there is large-scale sport event such as Olympic. This is because the stadium has a large and spacious space. This cause the use of material and nature can be minimized and reduce the environment's damage.
People that study the sport science will getting a new knowledge and skill in every activity in lesson about the sport science in the next future. Thus, the sport science are giving a birth to successful athlete to advance performance in every sports activity in the next generation. In addition, the sport science will get a new technology which people will getting more information and they can finding a new wishes of the sport science in the next future. People get performance to a higher level, will get more experience to explore the sport science into the next future.